Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to cancel a pending payment on Cash App. All right, let's begin. First, open the Cash App on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the Activity tab. This section shows all your recent transactions, including any pending payments. Next, scroll through your activity list and find the payment you want to cancel. Tap on that specific transaction to open its details. This will bring up more information about the payment, including its current status. If the payment is still pending, you should see a refund button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on this option to initiate the cancellation process. Cash App will then process the request and return the funds back to your account. Keep in mind that this option is only available for pending payments. If the payment has already been completed, you may need to contact the recipient directly to request a refund. So that's basically how you can cancel a pending payment on Cash App. That's it for this video. Thanks.